Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this everyday makeup look in 20 minutes. So if it's something that you want to see, keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video, or I hope you learn something from this. I'm going to start off by priming my face. I've already moisturized my face off camera and I'm just going straight with my primer. You always need to prime your face before you apply your foundation. In that way, it helps to give you a smooth and even base for your foundation. If you have an oily skin, I'll advise to use a mattifying primer. Mattifying primer helps to reduce the excess oil and shine on your face. The next thing I'm going to do is to conceal the blemishes on my face and also to cover the dark circle under my eye. God. Let me see, pick it up, okay. My son's tooth. Why should I mess it? Can I get it? His teeth just lost one of his teeth. Oh God. Let me see. So sorry. I'm sorry. It's gone off. My son just lost his tooth and the excitement on his face just, amazes me. Like, why should you be excited? Don't you feel pain each time this thing happens to you? I don't know. Well, what do I know? They are kids and I can't really say anything about that. So let's get right into this video. The next thing I'm going to use is my liquid blush. I'm using this liquid blush from Zaron Cosmetics in Woo Woo. I love this new technique of applying your blush before your foundation. I saw this on TikTok and decided to try it. I love the outcome. I love the fact that, it helps your makeup application faster. So I just love how it came out. I don't know what you guys think. Just let me know what you think. And I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge just to blend that in and give it an even blend.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why.
For my foundation, I used the Zaron Brown Skin Foundation in shade Cottage and Canvas. I mixed them together to get my perfect shade, and I'm just going to blend this out using the Zaron foundation brush to spread this foundation all over my face. If you're used to using beauty sponge, you can go ahead and do that. Whatever works for you. Makeup does not have any rules, so you can use your beauty sponge if it works for you. You can use your foundation brush if it works for you. For me today, I'm going to be using my foundation brush to blend this foundation all over my face.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
The next thing I'm going to be doing is to apply my concealer. I'll just take very little of it and apply under my eye just to brighten my eye area. Because it's a 20 minutes and an everyday makeup look, you don't want to do so much. Less is more. Less application is better than doing so much to avoid wasting time on blending. So you just want to be minimal in every application, and yes, the makeup will come out flawless and still beautiful.
And all of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of.
For my setting powder, I am using the Zaron Veil Highlights and Setting Powder in Cruise. It's one of their new products and it comes in 5 shades. Guys, I love how it blurs my under eye and giving me a flawless finished look.
Be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought.
I'm going to be using the Zaron Brown Skin Press Powder in shade Nog, and I'm just going to use this to set my foundation.
To this place, you wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could.
The next thing I did was to apply a light layer of bronzer just to give my face some color and definition.
The change I need today, I promise that I've never
I'm going to go ahead to draw my brows, and I'm using the Zaron brow pencil to do this. I am using it because I want to achieve a natural looking brows.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long, it hurts too.
The next thing is to conceal my brows, and I'm using the Zaron liquid concealer to achieve this.
Watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
The next thing I did was to apply a light warm brown eyeshadow on my crease area. I'm just going to spread this all over the crease area. I added gold eyeshadow on my lid, and I'm doing this just to give my face some colors and definition. The next thing I'm going to do is to apply my eyeliner. I'm going to be drawing a very thin line on my lash line, just making it very simple and natural. Next, I'll go in with my mascara, and I'm using the Zaron 4-in-1 wing mascara. I'm just going to apply this. I'm going to be intensifying the application of this mascara because I'm not going to be using lashes for now. Being a nude makeup, I don't want to use lashes, so I'm going to intensify my lashes. The next thing I'm going to do is to add some colors to my cheek, just to brighten up my face. And then I'm going in with my black charcoal pencil from Marlboro. I'm going to be using the Zaron lip pencil in Cappuccino to line my lips.
I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that
For the center of my lips, I'm going to be using the Zaron Lip Fix in, I think it's Blondie, to just apply in the middle of my lips. And next I'll go in with my gloss, still from Zaron, just to add some shine to my lips and give me that glossy look I need. When you apply your lip gloss directly onto your lipstick, it's always advisable to clean the applicator of the lip gloss so to avoid irritation. To set my makeup, I'm going to be using the Zaron setting spray. I'm just going to spray this everywhere, and this will help to put my makeup in place and make it stay longer. Next, I'm going to go in my bronzer. I'm just going to apply this at the apple of my cheekbone just to give a lift and shine. You can see how bronzy it's giving. And next, I'll go in with my mascara. Guys, I love this look. I love what the look is giving. I love the fact that I can rock this look to the office, I can rock it to church, I can rock it anywhere. It's just simple, it's natural. For those of you who don't like something so loud on your face, this is a perfect makeup for you to wear and be confident and comfortable with. Guys, if you enjoyed this video or if you learned something from this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this look. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.